Welcome to the job portal of CAT Center. We do take the pleasure on behalf of the CAT Center to introduce to our students a much needed and desired portal. This portal has been developed with the keen interest keeping in our mind about the necessity of information for the ex and emerging students, those who are eager to venture for the much awaited dream jobs and ambitious career. In this portal, we primarily have two sections. The student section, wherein students can register themselves, post and update their CVs, and can search for their dream jobs. The employer section, where the employers are requested to post their vacancies and can go through the CVs of registered candidates to meet their requirement. The employer section, where the employers are requested to post their vacancies and can go through the CVs of registered candidates to meet their requirement. The first section, that is the student section, is basically divided into four parts. These are homepage, search jobs, my profile, and student or ex-student section. The in-students and ex-students section is mainly meant for registration and login. Pointing the cursor on this section, a drop-down menu opens. In this drop-down menu, the newcomer needs to register themselves by clicking on the registration button. Once the registration menu is clicked, a page opens in which one need to provide all the information that have been asked for, like name, email ID, etc. Henceforth, one can log in to their profiles, where current profile details can be viewed and updated. Students can visit to their account and search for suitable jobs, giving specifications for job location, job role, course performed, employment status, etc. and can directly apply for the same. Just by clicking over Apply option on My Account section, one can go through the jobs they have applied for. The employer section is divided into three parts: new employer, post new jobs, and search resumes. New employer section is meant for the registration of the employers. Clicking on this section will open up a new page where the employers, by filling up a form, can perform registration. Once the registration is being done, employers can log into their accounts to post jobs related to their. Once the registration is being done, employers can log into their accounts to post jobs related to our courses from a separate section called Post New Jobs. Through the third section, that is Search Resumes, employers can look for suitable candidates that matches their requirement, but it should not be out of place to mention that to search the resumes, registration and log into the account are not required.